Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to edit footer section in Shopify. Some things that I will be showing you to do include changing the color of your footer section in Shopify, also how to add the different payment icons to Shopify, and how to add social media icons to Shopify, plus so much more. The first thing you will need to do is go onto your Shopify admin page. Once on the admin page, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Online Store. After selecting Online Store, you will be redirected to the Themes page. On the Themes page, I want you to go over and you're going to tap on Customize beside the theme that you're using. Once you have tapped on Customize, you will be redirected to the Editors page. On the editor page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option. Right where you see footer, you're going to simply tap on footer. And you can see the footer section right here. You can also see email sign up. If you would like to remove email sign up, all you have to do is tap in the box to untick it. Also, you can scroll down. You could add a heading if you want. So you could change the heading right here if you wanted to for the email sign up. And also you can see enable follow on shop. You can remove that if you want. And you'll see this option, social media icons, and show social media icons. You can see that it is toggled on. Although it is toggled on, you can see that there are no social media icons showing. To activate this, all you'll need to do is scroll down and you're going to tap on Theme Settings. Once you have selected Theme Settings, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you can see the different social media platforms. All you'll need to do is simply add your social media page. So let's say, for example, I would like to add Twitter. All I would need to do is go onto twitter.com. Once on Twitter and I'm on my profile page, as you can see right here, I'll simply tap on Profile. So I'll tap on my profile page in the bottom left-hand corner, or I could tap right here on Profile. Let me do that real quick. Once I'm on the profile page, I'm going to copy the URL. After I've copied the URL, I'll simply go back and I'm going to paste it right here. Once I've added it, you will see the Twitter icon. So let me do that real quick. If I were to add it and tap on Save, you can see the Twitter icon right here. Let me save the changes by tapping on Save in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you can also see the option to add image. Most of the time this does not work, but I don't know if it will work for the theme that you're using. To add an image, normally you will tap on Explore Images. Then from there you could select the image that you would like to add as your background image. Let's say, for example, this one, and you would tap on Select. And you will normally see it added as the background image, but you can see that that is not working. But since it is not working with the background image, what you could do is add a background color. Now, to add background color to the footer section, all you'll need to do is go back. So you're going to tap on back in the top left hand corner. Once you're on the themes page once more, I want you to tap on the three dots beside Customize and you're going to select Edit Code. After you have tapped on Edit Code, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Assets. That's the second to last option in the bottom left hand corner. Then you're going to select base.css. Depending on the theme that you're using, you may see theme.css. Either option will work. Then you're going to scroll to the end of the page, all the way down to the end of the page. And in this blank line, what I want you to do is simply copy and paste the code that I will be leaving in the description. So you're going to copy this code, then go back and you're going to paste it on the line right here. After you have pasted it, you can change it to the color that you want. At the moment, you can see the color is set at blue. So I'll leave it as blue. Then I'm going to tap on Save. Or better yet, let me change it. I'll change it to, for example, orange. So let me type in orange right here. Then I'll tap on Enter. Then I'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. Once the changes have been saved, if I were to go back now, so let's tap on exit, and then again I'm going to go back onto the editor page, so I'm going to tap on customize. Once I've selected customize, if I were to scroll down, you will realize that the footer section color has changed to orange, as you can see right there. So while you may not be able to add a background image, you can customize it by adding your own color. And you can also add other features by tapping on footer once more. And by scrolling down, we will be able to add the different payment method icons. So you can see show payment method icons. So for example, if you have added PayPal or other payment methods, it would be showing right here. You can also show the policy links by tapping right there. So by doing that, it will show the different policy links if you want. And if you don't know how to add the payment methods, I've done tutorials on how to do that. And I've also done tutorials on how to set up the policy. And you can even tap on policy settings right here to access it. And you can also add the language selector. As you can see right here, you can simply tap on any box to add what you want. And if you would like to add something more to the footer section, all you'll need to do, you could tap on add block. And for example, you could add an image. You can also see brand information. If you would like to add the menu, you could do that, and you can see the quick links option pop up right there. You can do that if you want, and if you would like to remove that, you can simply hide it. I can add other stuff by tapping on add blocks again. From there, I could add text, or you could add an image if you want by tapping on image, and you can see it right there. But let me remove it. All you'll need to do is tap on the box that you like to remove. So let me remove this also, then tap on that. And if you like to add a section above the footer section, you could tap right there, and you can see the different options. And if you have apps that were compatible with the footer section, you would see it right here. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.